Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by powering down and removing any power source. This clears transient errors. Once done, take out the battery or disconnect power for about 10 to 30 seconds, then reseat the SIM and micro SD card to ensure proper contact. Make sure the battery has sufficient charge or use a 5V/2A wall charger while you continue. This quick reboot and reseating often restores basic radio functions and eliminates loose connection causes before deeper troubleshooting. Next, you dive into network settings to find configuration issues. First, set network mode to auto 4G/3G/2G. If no signal, toggle to a specific mode like 3G to test stability. Then perform a manual network search and select your carrier to force a reattach. Also inspect APN settings against your plan. An incorrect APN blocks data even with signal. These steps re-establish registration with the mobile network and fix software-level mismatches that prevent connection. Finally, you move to advanced remedies when basic steps fail. Update the Pocket Wi-Fi firmware with the official tool to fix radio bugs, backup settings beforehand. If updating doesn't help, perform a factory reset, then reconfigure the APN and network mode. Test the device near a window or outdoors to rule out poor indoor reception, and try a different SIM to isolate carrier or SIM faults. If problems persist, one key troubleshooting tip: swap SIMs to confirm whether the issue is the device or the network.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.